Let's switch the view. How are you guys? Sorry, I'm late and I'm not doing what I should do. Let's pause this. Start this. Refresh, sorry, this stuff. Go ahead, yes. Good. Twitch is telling me I'm alone. So I thought about some stuff yesterday. I think it was during the night. Let's switch the view to this one. So continuing my wonderful app and thinking about these two screens, I think this cloud should go away and change them with stars. I think it will be a good addition to this. So for the design, I'm going to do this right away. Oh, I forgot. I have no water. I need water. I'm coming back. Yeah, the microphone was off. Amazing. So sorry if you're watching this stream, or now or during the replay. I think I need like a big dashboard or something. Anyway, let me check this. Yes. Bon, we have our shadow now. Let's create another. No, this is no longer clouds, but stars. Offset. Well, let's try this actually. Resume the preview. Okay. 50. Okay. What did I do there? Okay. Let's create another one. I guess I should create a loop for this, but I'm lazy. No. Thank you. For this one, I'm going to change this to -50 and -150. Yeah, it's a bit too much. Here we go. I should probably randomize the... Oh, let's skip it. Okay. So that's it for this now. I forgot to open Tower. Let's commit this code and then I would like to see sky dark mode with stars and stars enough. Okay. So this is okay. Now I want to we have some functions on the... Yeah, exactly. We have this one. I'm asking myself if I'm not creating this start timer. An integer. Sorry for the noise. Georgia prosecutors opened a criminal investigation into Donald Trump's phone call to the Georgia Secretary of State asking him to fine between quotes votes. If people, sorry. So time interval is coming from what? Because I know that's the type of it. So it means that I'm entering a time interval, and it should transform this as a string. So this is not what I'm going to do there. I just want to start the timer. So it means it means that my time interval should change is stop. Okay. But I would like, I need to think about this because I need to create a function with a parameter. Going to move this up. It will be easier. So we have a timer of 900 or 1200, and it means that I need a parameter there. And I want this function to change the time remaining with timer. Sorry. Does this is building? Yes. So it means that now my buttons, where is the first timer? Action. Start timer with a timer of 900. First timer. Build failed because of unnamed argument number 2 must precede argument action. Replace action with okay, fix it, man. I don't know what you want me to do, but cannot convert value of insert What the fuck? So we have this. I want you to start this. What the fuck? Can I do this way? No. What the fuck is wrong, girl? Whatever, let's try this and see if it's working. No, 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 no. I'm doing this wrong, really wrong, because this button should be selected and then the timer should start with this button. So on tap gesture, I should. Button. Let's try this, if this is working. But why? Is it because I should do it like this? First timer if you want. I no longer cannot conform to string protocol. What the fuck? No, I think I need help. Ah putain, Jérémy, bordel de queue. Sorry. Ah là là là, what a noob. It's working. So now I need to find a way to have this timer selection to work. So this one is working. Now there is multiple stuff. That is stop should be true now. And then my function, I'm going to put it there. Okay, so this one is okay. So we should have our buttons back here, right? Here we go. So I want so the selected button is a 0, 1. Sorry, I need to think. What's the best way? Maybe I should. SwiftUI buttons. No, select. Selection. Button. State. Oh, state, oui. How to set custom highlighted state. Perfect. Thank you so much. Oh, no, that's not the stuff I want. So far, oh, that's interesting because it's changing. Okay, let's try it out something. Selected, where is the opacity? So let's do it this way. Opacity 1, but it's selected button. Huh? No, no, should be equal to 0 for this one. It's not a double. And for this one, go away. It should be 1. Okay, and this one should change selected button to 1. It's not a boolean, yes. Is it working like this? Same story than before, I guess. No? You don't like it? Boom, boom, boom. So this is working. This one is 0. By default, we are always to 0. Well, let's build this and see what's happening there. So, I don't want this to change, right? What? Oh, this is working. I just need to change now the opacity of it, and then I will check this. Opacity, where are you? Ah no, it's not opacity, it's a foreground color. So selected button is equal to, no, sorry, equal to 0. Then you're changing from one, no, sorry, secondary color. And I guess this one is one. Let's find out if it's working. Hello? Would you like to work preview? Oh my gosh. I don't really like this blinking effect, but overwriting this, it's going to be a nightmare. So why? Because it's unappear, the quote? I don't remember. I don't remember. Well, let's do this later. I just want to have the start timer using the selected button. So timer, can I do something like selected button is equal to 0 to starting the first timer? Otherwise, you're starting the second timer. Oh, that's working, guys! I'm happy. Let's find out. Let's start this one, for example. Ooh. Let's try the other one. Gosh. So this one is working, and now I need to if start timer. If. I think it's the same than this one actually. If is stopped. You're displaying this. Otherwise, it means that the timer is started and you're displaying this button. And I need to have what did I design there? Yeah, I have pause or cancel. So I need to create a VStack with two kind of buttons. This one for stopping. No, pause or to pause actually. So this is becoming pause. And I need another one to cancel. Let's align this properly. Why? Oh la la. It's not good, Jeremy. Not good at all, because this button is there. Exactly. Up. Up. And then the second one. And this is pause. And this is cancel. And this is just what this one is doing is stopped the toggle. And timer is equal to 0. should be equal to 0. Oh, you don't want? Is it timer? Oh no, it's time remaining. And this is not, oh fuck. This is wrong because it should be here. Here we go. And this one, let's keep it close for now. I have no clue how to pause a timer actually. Let's try. Ah. Why? Ah, because it's part of this, it stopped. Else, it's on this one. A running timer. Okay. Okay, so that's cannot work at all. So this button is going to stay where it was. And I need this VStack to go under the running timer here. Let's find out if this is working. Timer is running. There is an extra. Oh, where did I put it? It's this one. Yes. Should build, right? Now. Yes. Now just let's false. Let's manage our exactly. So we have here VStack with a timer. Okay, with a spacer, sorry. So I should probably do the same here and keep the same here. And this one for the spacing. No, sorry. Let me first adjust this console or console. So first it's not console, but or console without a cap. And it's New York regular 17. So it's more or less body actually. Well, it's regular. And the color is the secondary one. Good. And it's not uppercase. Okay, let's try this. So I'm starting it and I'm cancelling it. And if I'm doing this, is it? Yes, it's working. So I don't need any of this anymore. So let's clean up my file. Okay, so like you can, as you can see, this file is too long. This view is like too much, too long. So what I'm going to do, we have a background view. I'm going to create another one here called called sky view. Here we go. So we have our sky view here, and our sky view, I'm going to call it. Let me check first, because right now my sky view is there. Okay, and I'm going to pick up all of these in my sky view, and after I just have to pick up this environment here, put it here. Okay, we have an issue. I forgot the geometry reader. Now the geometry reader is before the, yeah. Geometry in. Until here, alignment, and now should be able to build something. Yes, we can. And my code view is here. So why, man? Let's try this now. I'm not chatty today, because I'm concentrated a bit on what I'm doing. Okay. That state var is paused. It equal false. It means where is my time? I think it's on. Let me publish every 1 second. Okay, so we have our timer that publishing every 1 second and changing the content every 1 second. So but this should happen only if is post is false. Where is my timer? So when it's receiving new data from timer, this is doing this, but I don't think if I can pause the refresh, but if I'm pausing just this, I guess it's going to stop the counter for true. but the time will still fly. That's the stuff that I don't understand. That's the stuff I don't understand. Adding sky view, sub view. I'm going to try this. I don't know if it's going to work. So, yeah, but for a computed property, no, it's a T. It's I should do. Does this is working? Yes. And I want you to return if is paused. Return. No. Else. Return this. But this should be return. Let's try first every so the stuff is I think I need help with this one. I don't really understand this code. So we have way. Oh, after we cannot pause. You know what? I'm going to change my mind. This cannot be paused because meditation is not paused. You cannot hold on a meditation. You're starting or you're stopping. So let's do this in this way, and let's keep it like it was. Here we go. It's weird. It's working? Yes, it is. I want to discard all changes there. Okay. Well, makes it that, in fact, this one was pretty useful. So we have our views, and they're working. Let's find out. So we have this, it's starting, suppose I need to remove it, and it's cancelled. Okay. So it's no longer going to be cancelled, but it's this one. And it's going to be stopped. And this is going away. So let's try this. I don't need this anymore. My question is it the same? Oh, exactly the same. Amazing. So if I'm running this, I should probably change this variable for is running and not is stopped. Should make more sense. Oh, I need to find why this is changing. So start and stop. Start and stop. Good. No, I don't want this screenshot. Thank you. What I want to do now. So let me check my to-do list first. This is done. 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 This is deprecated, so I can up. Now this one is optional. That's something I want to set up, but I will do it after the setting view. So it means that here I can. So we have animated and animated. No, wait. Transition. Fade in. Fade out. And for this one, that's the tricky part with animation on SwiftUI. I'm not able to remember anything. Remove, pause, button, deprecated by myself. Pretty clear. This scope. Oh. I want this app to be really simple, and I should have think about this because it doesn't make sense to pause a meditation. It makes sense for a real timer, but it's not a timer, it's a meditation app. So it's not the same. So we have this. I want to animate. It stopped true. So this should be the timer now, right? Yes. view transition, view state. No, animated state. Change. I know there is something, but I never remember this one. It's just with animation, Jeremy. It's not so complicated. So if I'm putting the with animation here, what's happening now? That's so simple sometimes. Same here, same here, same here. And it should work for the stop too now. Yes, it is. And I want to do it also for the button selection. So action. Up. Okay. Something like this, right? Let's find out if it's working. The good part of it, wow, no, this is not good. I really need to find out how to remove this animation, not animation, but refresh. Let me show the codes view. No, I don't know, that's not this one, the code view I said, thank you. So I have my timer view here. It's because of this. I know it's not. I don't understand. Because this state is not changing because I'm selecting this one. So why? It's refreshing the whole view. I'm trying stuff because I don't know. So we'll have two codes there, okay. And if I'm playing this one, all are changing too. Ouais. Still the same. Still the same. Can I force the view to not be refreshed? I have no clue, actually. Force view. Well, let's keep it the update one. I guess there is forcing an update. So this one is old school. So it's funny because everyone has an issue to refresh stuff for a refreshing view, and for me it's the opposite. Sorry, I'm going to change the music. I'm a bit tired of this playlist. Stations, it's a station. Ambient, blues, surprise me. I don't like surprise, especially with music. Classical, disco, drum and bass. Oh, disco can be nice. Let's play disco. Could not find any song to play. EDM is not going to happen. There is nothing here. There is nothing in disco. Drum and bass, no. Epic. Let's try. Okay. Fuck, I fucked up, sorry. Up. Thank you. So. I'm just watching my OBS stream to see if everything is okay, and it looks good. So this is hurting my head, not my head, my ears. It's crazy. So the sentence is exactly this one. So how can I So on this one, I really wanted to avoid to create like a an observable object just for the state of the timer to avoid the stuff to... Oh, maybe it's something I need to change here. So I have my private code here. But it means on here... Can I do this? Maybe I should use a computed one. Let declaration. Oh, sorry. Now. You okay with that? Okay. So it means the integer is not going to change, I guess, every time. Sorry, I'm going to comment this instead of deleting everything. But I think I should put array, right? Ah. I don't think this is working, yeah. Dictionary. No, don't like this. Yeah, I tried it. You don't. Fuck you. Bon. Fuck. What am I missing? No, let me try something. Yeah, but no. Cannot work. I know, but the count. I know it's a random from the number from this amount. So that's good. So this shouldn't change actually. thinking about something. If I'm creating a state, var quote ID, and it's an integer, and it's a goal. It's an integer from 0. Okay, and then this. Quote ID is equal to this. Okay. And this is becoming quote ID. Should work, right? Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. The state is changing. Modifying state, yeah, exactly. This will cause undefined behavior. So that's exactly what's happening here. Ah, Jérémy. What? Ah, sorry. Is it better? No, it's not. I don't think this is going to work. No, cannot find self, of course. Attends. Wait. What, my quotes? Okay. It's not, it's ugly. Oh, fuck. I thought at some point it was working. It's refreshing the fucking view. What if I'm picking up this on the timer view here? And what if I'm binding at binding? How the binding we are working? I never know. I want a binding from show me a binding. I never on this one. Add binding. Var quote ID. It's an integer. Okay. I am in quotes. Okay. Invalid. Okay. It's okay. Quote ID is equal to putain. SwiftUI binding. Let us declare that one value actually comes from elsewhere and should be shared in places. It's not the same that observable, both of which are designed for reference types to be shared across processes. Okay, so that's exactly what I need to do. You might have a content view with asset properties storing where the child view is presented or not, like this. Okay, perfect. This is using showing ad users if it's presented. Okay. What want to happen is that the user view state showing user be false. And my daughter is jumping into the stream.
Tu parles à qui?
Je parle aux gens qui me regardent.
Papa. Papa. Regarde.
Je suis occupé, ma douce.
Mais regarde.
Quoi?
Allez.
Tu fais une démo? Bon, I'm coming back. Let's pause this.
Ça?
My family is back. Whoa, whoa. What's happening with the webcam right now? It's crazy. Wow. What the fuck is happening? My CPU is burning. I guess. Don't like this. Maybe it's because of this. Oh, the webcam is really lagging. No, that says view. I think I'm going to stop this stream. So what was I doing? No. This, it's $. I'm missing something with the binding, I think. This is really hurting my ears today. So what do we have here? We have a state. Okay. No, this is not binding in SwiftUI. Let's see. Let's see. Does OBS is working better? No, it's still lagging like shit. What the fuck is happening again? Ah, that... Oh, it's an observable object. Well, it's too complicated for just this. Let's remove everything here. Okay. You're good now. And for this one, we have the state. It is not usable actually. It's not used. Sorry, not usable. Ah. If I'm passing this to the view, so this I cannot close it. But what if I have an add state here that is var quote ID and it's an integer. Oh no, but not state, just a var. Yes, just a var. So here it means that I need to due to private. No. Oh là 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 là, mon Dieu. This doesn't work. Is inaccessible. Private. I don't understand. Okay. You okay now? And it means that here on timer, I need to put this code ID with code ID. So first, is it working? Yeah, but my preview won't work because it's using the... Oh, fuck it. Let's build. So here I'm passing the... but it's changing. It's changing, maybe because it's a not state. So if I'm not using this like this, but private var code ID is an integer and it return this. Okay. What's happening now? Maybe I shouldn't compute this value actually. Right. I should probably not compute this value. So if I'm doing just this. Even better. Even better. So it means that this won't change. Fuck! It's fucking annoying. I don't understand why this is refreshing everything, even this value. I'm missing something and I don't understand what it is. I have an idea. It's going to solve everything. I'm going to remove all of this. I may know. I hate this. I hate this. When so simple stuff are so difficult. So we are back at where we were before. So this is okay. This should work still. And you know what I'm going to do? To solve this, it's going to be dirty, but it means that I need to add the code from here. So I have my header view here and my timer view, and the timer should be in front of this code view. Okay. Code view is there. I'm removing the code view from here. And now it's annoying because I need to create something to... So this is working, but it's staying here, and here it should disappear. So it means that we have our code still in the right place. And I need to create an observable object, but maybe it will be useful later, I don't know. Models. Well, maybe, stop. And this is going to be nice view model. I'm saying shit actually. And I'm going to create a new file here called timer view model. This will have, I forgot what I'm going to do. I'm going to open Shubi. For example, this one, the final class observable object. Final class timer view model is an observable object. It's published. Var is started. Do I need an init somewhere? I think I need. No, because I initializing it there. So I have this. So it means that now here, well, I'm going to do it quickly. At observed, observed object. Var timer is started. No, was. I need to be able to change the data, so it means that I should use an environment object, right? Right, environment object. Now my webcam is completely crazy right now. You know what? I'm going to. What if I'm doing this? And I'm back. And now there is no lag anymore. It's a bit crazy sometimes. So it's at environment object var timer, and it's equal to timer view model. Is it should be like this? No, I think. I know it's the type of it. Yes, it's like this, right? Yes, it is. And you matter like this. My timer view model, okay. And if So when I'm starting this, my timer dot is started would be equal to true. Like this. Okay. And for stop, my timer is started integral equal to false. So this is building, but I don't think it's going to run for a simple reason that my environment object. Oh no, it's, yeah, of course. Because this timer view doesn't know my environment object because I need to declare it on the root view, and every fucking time I need to check how to do it. Yes, it's this one. So here I have content view, and timer view should have an environment object called timer view model. It says this level that I need to declare it, but let me try to do it manually. My timer is type timer view model. Here I need to do environment object with my timer. Okay. So I'm passing this view model to, but it's not the way to do it. It looks. Where is Shubi? Because I solved this with Shubi already, so. No, it's this way. And for the subview, so I'm passing this there, but this one is calling root view, sorry. And root view, how are they doing? So they are already observed object, and I'm passing them also here. View state, for example. Yeah, okay. So content view should have an observable object of with my timer. No, not an observable non-environment object of type timer view model, and this is going to be my timer. Here we go. And now I guess this should work. Yes, it's working. So now I need also to pass it to code view actually. No, because code view is just reading it. So here, no, not here. No, yes, here, sorry. Servable object, my timer is equal to timer view model like this. Oui. Observed. You want now? And this my timer dot is started return an empty view. Else you're returning this vstack. Okay. What am I doing? Empty view. Otherwise, return just train this. Okay. I would like to solve this before to stop this streaming, but it looks it's going to take some time. So he started is not, so it's okay. If I'm removing this, it's staying there, so it's not working. Okay. Oh, make me think about, am I? So this is working, but this is no longer working. The fading fade out disappeared. So I solved this, but now my buttons. Where is my timer view? And the same for, I know it's for start. This one is stopped, right? Button action, yeah, this one is stopped. And where is the start one? Yeah, I think it's because of this. Yes, it's working now. You know what? I think it's enough for today. What I want to think about, so this is okay. Okay. I want to trigger the sound. When starting. I should have checked this because I don't. Where is my sound? This is it here. I have an utilities called audio player, exactly. And where am I using play sound? Stop display sound type wave. Okay. So if I'm, where is the start button? Start trigger is this one. Oh, I'm not sure we will use, listen to it. Yeah, I cannot. Even myself, I'm not hearing it because of my audio capture stuff. I guess it is for this. So what I'm going to do, is first to check if I can build it on my personal phone right away. I won't do this now because with my USB stuff plugged in my laptop, I'm pretty sure my hub is going to, my USB-C hub is going to die. So I won't do this now. So what I'm going to do to end this, before to end this stream, is to commit timer animation code fix and environment object. And what I need to do tomorrow, not tomorrow, maybe tomorrow, I don't know, is to add also this is cleaning starting timer code, meaning merge with the view model. What I mean is, you know, this, I have this state that is doing exactly the same than this one. So I need to remove this one, so modify here, and my code will be better. No, this one, thank you. So if you're watching this stream later, you like it or learned it, or if you have any remark on my code, because I'm a noob, so I guess if you are a good developer, well, not a good developer, if you're just a developer, I guess, you will have a lot of comment to do on my way of coding this, probably. So please feel free to comment anything. You can do it on Discord. You saw on the a new banner on my stream now. Speaking of that, I want to share with you something. So let me go to this. Please go ahead. Thank you. So I'm going to share my screen again. There is a new page on my website called Podcast, a new section. I put this mention here because it's really a temporary page. I need to really do it better, even for the text. So I'm explaining a couple of stuff. And what I wanted to share with you is this. Because now the Megan Wilson live with discussion I had. No, sorry. The discussion I had with Megan last week. Yeah, it was last week. Is ready to share. I can even share with you a couple of. So I'm using Buzzsprout for it. So this episode is there, ready to be listened to. And I can show you something. So right now the podcast is available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts is still in progress. This is still in progress. This is in progress. iHeartRadio, I found a way this afternoon. So I discovered an iHeartRadio is not allowing any registration outside of the US. So I had to use a VPN connection to be able to get registered on iHeartRadio. So I guess I'm probably breaking some rules or terms and conditions there. But anyway. Pandora is there, is listed, this is listed, and everything else is already. So I checked also in Pocket Cast, I'm there. Overcast is not yet updated, so this is coming from Apple Podcasts, and Apple Podcasts I received confirmation I guess it was yesterday evening, and even during the night. Castro is working. I checked it. Castbox and Podfriend. I think Ambidextrous is already there. So it's still in progress. I'm not really sharing. So it's more or less an exclusivity with you guys. I didn't share this for now. And yes, that's it. So I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy with that, and I'm looking forward to get ready for the second episode. And I will share with you here who it will be and when it will be, of course. Meanwhile, you can go to the Discord and continue the discussion. For now, there is almost no one, so discussions are really... the server, you won't have to mute the server because there is nothing. I'm sharing some stuff sometimes. Make me think I didn't share this episode on Discord. I need to do it. I need to learn also to manage a bit this Discord server because I never did this ever. So that's it. That's what I wanted to share with you today. I'm maybe going to stream tomorrow, but I have no clue. Maybe Friday. It will be Friday or Thursday, or maybe both. If I like to do this actually. See you guys.